Hey everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. If your iPhone suddenly says iPhone is disabled or iPhone unavailable for absolutely no reason, don't panic. Today I'll explain why this happens, how to prevent it, and most importantly, 5 proven ways to unlock a disabled iPhone with or without a computer. Let's get started. Part 1. Why is my iPhone disabled for no reason? iPhones disable themselves after multiple incorrect passcode attempts, but sometimes it happens even when you didn't touch the phone. Here are the most common causes. 1. Accidental passcode inputs. Your iPhone may be activated inside a pocket or bag. Many users reported that their phone entered wrong passcodes while in a shirt pocket or while rubbing against clothing. 2. iOS system glitches. A software bug, especially on an outdated iOS version, can randomly trigger iPhone unavailable even if the device is idle and untouched. 3. Ghost touch issues. A faulty third-party screen replacement or poorly applied screen protector may cause ghost touches, leading to repeated incorrect passcodes. Part 2. How to prevent it. Tip 1. Avoid unintentional touches. Don't keep your iPhone in tight pockets, and keep it away from kids or pets who might accidentally enter the passcode. Tip 2. Disable Raise to Wake. This prevents the screen from lighting up when moved. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, turn off Raise to Wake. Part 3. How to unlock an iPhone disabled for no reason. Now let's look at 5 effective unlocking methods. Method 1. Wait for timer if you remember the passcode. When the countdown ends, simply enter the correct passcode. No data loss. Method 2. Passixer iPhone Unlocker, the fastest method. If you forgot the passcode or ghost touch caused the lockout, Passixer can wipe the passcode from any disabled iPhone, even with a broken screen. Steps. Open Passixer and select Wipe Passcode. Connect your iPhone and download the firmware. Click Unlock and enter 0000 to confirm. Your device will reset and unlock in minutes. Method 3. Erase iPhone from disabled screen. If you see Erase iPhone or Forgot Passcode, tap it, then enter your Apple ID. Erase your device. Method 5. Use Find My app Help a Friend. Open Find My on another iPhone, then Me, then Help a Friend, log in, select your device, and erase this device. Method 5. Use iCloud.com. From any browser, iCloud.com, then Find My, then All Devices. Then select your iPhone, then erase this device. So that's why an iPhone can become disabled for no reason, usually accidental touches, software glitches, or ghost touches. To unlock it, you can try the built-in erase options, iCloud, or for the fastest and simplest solution, use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides here on Eassiy Official.